Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I'm Khan Zaj. First, I request all my beloved friends, please like and subscribe this unique channel because it is totally free of cost for you but highly encouraging for me. Thank you. Today, we pick to visit beautiful island Majorca, located in Spain. Let's see it for further information. Majorca, also known as Majorca, is an island in the Mediterranean Sea located off the coast of Spain. This island is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant nightlife. One of the most visiting attractions on the island is Catedral de Santa Maria, which is located in the heart of the city of Palma. This Gothic-style cathedral, built in the 13th century, features towering spires, intricate stained glass windows, and stunning architecture. For outdoor enthusiasts, Serra de Tramuntana mountain range is must-see. The range provides breathtaking views of island, and there are many hiking trails for visitors to explore. Additionally, there are several parks and natural reserves, including the Parc Natural de Santa Maria, which is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. Another popular activity on the island is water sports. With its warm waters and strong winds, Majorca is a popular destination for windsurfing and kite surfing. There are several beaches and bays along the coast that are ideal for these activities, including Cala Mayor and Cala Rajada. For those looking to relax and soak up the sun, there are plenty of stunning beaches to choose from, including Playa de Palma, Strength, and Cala Mondrago. These beaches offer a range of activities from sunbathing and swimming to the snorkeling and paddle boarding. At night, Majorca comes alive with its vibrant nightlife, from high-end nightclubs to relaxed bars and pubs. There is something for everyone. The island's capital, Palma, is especially known for its nightlife scene, with many bars and clubs offering live music and DJs. Majorca is a wonderful destination that offers some things for everyone. Wherever you are looking for adventure, relaxing, or nightlife, this island has its all. With its beautiful beaches, stunning mountains, and rich cultural heritage, Majorca is a perfect place for a holiday.